The Air Jordan 4 RMFL is a modern evolution of one of the most iconic sneakers in history, designed to blend heritage style with everyday comfort. This version keeps the DNA of the original Air Jordan 4 while introducing a lower profile that feels more natural for daily wear. The upper features a smooth gradient of cool gray and light smoke gray, finished with premium brushed suede that delivers a soft, high-quality feel. Raw cut-style reinforcements add depth and structure, while the net-inspired mesh color improves breathability and adds visual texture. Black cage details and heel accents balance the lighter tones, giving the shoe a clean and refined look. Underfoot, the sail-colored midsole adds warmth and a worn-in aesthetic, complemented by a visible red air unit in the heel for a subtle pop of color. Inspired by the legendary 1989 release, the Air Jordan 4 RMFL respects tradition while embracing modern street-ready design, making it a versatile and stylish choice for today.